In this video, you will learn how to customize autofill handle in Microsoft Excel. Previously, you have learned how to use autofill or fill series option. For example, if I enter the value of Monday, place your cursor at the corner and drag it down, Excel will fill remaining values. So Excel has some inbuilt list for autofill. In this video, you will learn how you can customize those lists or you can create your own list for autofill. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. To create new list, go to File option and here you will find the option of More. Click here, go to Options. This window will be appeared. From here, select Advanced and scroll down. Here you will find the option of General. From here you will find the option of Edit Custom Lists. Select this one. You can create list using two easy methods. I will explain it one by one. Firstly, from Custom List, select New List. And in list entries you can write anything. I will write names which I repeatedly use. And after writing name, press enter and enter the remaining names. Now you can see here I have entered these names. After that, click on OK. Again on OK. Then I will enter the first name here. Press enter. Again select this name. Place your cursor at the corner and drag it down. You will observe that Excel will fill the remaining cells according to our new generated list. Now you can see here Excel has entered the remaining names according to our list. Similarly, if you want to remove this list, again go to File option and go to More. From here go to Options, select Advanced, scroll down and in General go to Edit Custom Lists. Select this list and here you will find the option of delete this one. A dialog box appears, list will be permanently deleted. Click on OK and this list will be deleted. Now you will learn second method. Second method is to import data from this Excel sheet. I will cancel this one. And here is the data which I want to copy. For example, I want to copy the student names because these names are repeatedly used in different lists. So I will go to File option and go to More, go to Options and from here I will select Advanced, scroll down and in General I will find the option of Edit Custom List. Select this one. From here click on this arrow sign and select the cells to generate a new list. After that, click here and select Import. Now you can see here all these names are imported and a new list is generated here. Click on OK. Again OK. Now I will enter the first name, which is the John Smith. Press enter. Again select this cell, place your cursor at the corner. Now you will observe that Excel will enter the remaining names using Fill Series option. I will drag it down. Now you can see here the Excel has entered the remaining names. So by doing so, you can easily generate your own list and save a lot of time. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.